I'm completely in love with this Trader Joe's salad called, it's a spicy peanut udon salad. And the key ingredient are these udon noodles, which are a Japanese type wheat noodle, kind of thick. They're kind of like a fettuccine. They come in a package like this. They're quite a bit smaller. They gain quite a bit when you cook them. So basically, for the salad, I cook these a little ahead of time and let them chill in the refrigerator. If you want to make them cook faster, or chill faster, I'm sorry, rinse them with cold water. So these are set. I'm going to go ahead and prepare the rest of the vegetables. I also have this Asian style spicy peanut vinaigrette that I got at Trader Joe's. I've tried different peanut sauces, and for some reason it's really hard to find one that's any good. So this one was delicious. So this is what I'm going to be using. I have a pepper, an onion, some cabbage already cut up, and some peanuts. You can add other crunchy vegetables to it too, but this is what I have. So let's get started. I really like these pre-cut coleslaw mixes, but the pieces are just enormous. I think I've mentioned this in other videos, so I never just use them as is. I chop them up into little tiny chunks, I guess you could say. I dice them. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. So this is the size I like to work with, just real tiny. This mix has very few carrots. The Trader Joe salad has a lot more carrots in it, so I suggest if you want to replicate that more closely, you can go ahead and either buy a carrot and throw it in the food processor, or buy those little matchstick carrot pieces. I'm going to go ahead, and then when I'm done with this, I'm going to, oops, spilling everywhere, I'm going to cut the rest of my pepper up into little pieces like that, and some onion as well. I'm using a red onion here, but you could use a green onion too. I'll be right back. So here we are, about a third of a pepper and a slice or two of red onion, and I'm going to put that in with the rest of the vegetables, just like that. And we're almost done. One more ingredient that I forgot to mention is cilantro, even though it was sitting there right next to me. So I cut some up, and I'm going to put that into the mix as well, and give it a nice stir. There we go. The cilantro is optional if you don't like it, but I just love the flavor of it in this particular salad. So we are set to start our salad. We'll put some udon noodles in the bowl here. The three ingredients in udon noodles are wheat, water, and salt. And they have kind of a nice salty flavor to them, not bland. So okay, we'll start there. I'm going to take some of my nice mixture here, put it on top. Looks so pretty. And finally, I'm going to put some peanuts and some peanut sauce. And the amount of peanut sauce is going to depend on you. You might want to try. I'm going to just drizzle some on top. You can always add more. And one thing that the Trader Joe's salad always has is these like crunchy peanuts, all little peanut pieces. So I have some that I cut up here. I have some peanuts, so I'm just going to put them on top as a garnish. And we're good to go. It's a great summer salad. It's a great company salad. It's just all around delicious. And the amount that it cost me to make this was equivalent to what it would cost me to buy it in Trader Joe's, which is about $5. Plus I've got plenty left over to make it again. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.